Cover crops are crucial for regenerative agriculture. They reduce soil erosion by up to 90% and increase soil organic carbon over time, improving long-term field resilience. However, these benefits depend on the successful establishment of cover crop within a short window. Stressed crop fields may show cover crops present that aren't actually protecting the soil. In the US, over 15 million acres of cover crop are planted annually, with failure rates reaching 30%. This creates a critical monitoring gap. Although existing satellites map vegetation, by the time satellite data is downlinked and processed, the window for agricultural intervention is often closing. What farmers and conservationists need is early, parcel-level insight into whether a cover crop is failing and why. Current tools do not answer those questions. CoverGuard does. CoverGuard is a 4-satellite, SmallSat constellation mission concept for a cover crop and field health failure intelligence.
CoverGuard uses trusted NASA Earth observation data from the Harmonized Landsat Sentinel-2 and NASA Opera to determine the health of agricultural parcels in the target region. Regions of concern are flagged, and their coordinates are uplinked to the CoverGuard constellation for prioritized satellite observation and onboard classification. In orbit, each CoverGuard satellite activates its compact 6-band multispectral imager only when passing over a flagged parcel. Together, these bands provide information about canopy greenness, chlorophyll content, plant moisture, surface wetness, and early stress signals. Onboard the satellite, the 6 raw band values are converted into 8 agronomic vegetation stress indices and passed directly into CoverGuard's compact onboard AI classifier that performs first-pass field diagnosis. The onboard AI classifier is a light gradient boosting machine, completing inference in under 1 millisecond per pixel without GPU. The classifier assigns each observed parcel one of 6 failure modes: healthy, moisture stress, excess wetness, nutrient deficit, poor establishment, pest and disease pressure, or unknown when confidence is too low. A compact fault packet containing the parcel identifier, the failure class, and the confidence score is then downlinked and hosted on the client server.
CoverGuard innovatively pioneers the first full-stack onboard crop failure classification architecture. By moving crop failure classification and prioritization onboard the spacecraft, CoverGuard delivers actionable alerts before any raw data is downlinked, with full data transmitted only on request. By adaptively activating the multispectral imager only over pre-flagged parcels, CoverGuard reduces the imager power draw by 74% compared to continuous full processing. Instead of transmitting a 120 megabyte raw scene by default, CoverLink downlinks a 50-byte fault packet due to AI onboard processing, resulting in a net reduction of over 60% in data volume. And when multiple alerts compete for downlink, CoverGuard's adaptive scheduler maximizes decision value per kilobyte, outperforming naive scheduling by 20.8% in simulation. CoverGuard helps make regenerative agriculture measurable, actionable, and scalable. By turning satellite observations into timely field intelligence, we can help protect cover crops where they matter most and protect the soil they were planted to restore. CoverGuard, from orbit to action and from space to soil.